What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. First off, real quick, I want to apologize for the pretty long pause in between videos and posting. Been a lot going on, so without any further ado, let's catch y'all up with what's been going on and hop into the video. For starters, with what's been going on, probably the biggest thing is behind me. I'm no longer in the apartment complex I was before, upgraded to a house, and I finally got me a garage. That way I can get the Eclipse inside, and we can really start working on that and tearing it apart, but also gives me some good space for parking the Civic and the CRV and everything. And again, that gives me a garage now. I have my own little workshop, I guess you could say. Not too much at the moment, still getting settled in. It's been a hectic couple weeks, working my butt off. A lot going on with getting situated, settling in here, getting out of the apartment. There's been a bit going on in the way of cars as well. Almost a month and a half back at this point. I was on the way into work one night in the Civic, and a coyote ran out in front of me. Messed up the bumper pretty good. I'll throw that up, show you guys pictures, but also aftermath damage as of now. On top of that, the Eclipse is running fine, but the factory oil cap on it has some blow-by issues, so spewing some oil into the engine bay. Not a big fan of that. Coming out on top of the valve cover. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So gonna have to get a new oil cap for that. Probably thinking on go ahead and do an oil catch can as well. May as well do it when I'm messing with that. And on top of that, the Civic due for an oil change and for some spark plugs. So we'll be doing that here soon. Same for the CRV as far as an oil change. Along with the oil change and the spark plugs for the Civic, I also have a short ram intake that we'll be throwing in here shortly, as well as a new muffler. The current one on the Civic has a whole bunch of holes in the bottom of it. Not sure at all what happened with that, so we'll be replacing that with a stock SI muffler from the same year, same model. Not expecting too much out of that, but hopefully a little better flow, possibly sound increase. Other than that, that's it for the Civic for right now, except for some brakes coming up soon. We'll get to that when we get there, and then we'll start working on the Eclipse even more.